Evolution is the change in characteristics of populations over generations from natural selection. Natural selection can then result in convergence or divergence. Convergence is when species obtain similar traits due to similar selection pressures, otherwise called analogous anatomy. Divergent traits are passed on from a common ancestor, otherwise called homologous anatomy. A good example of convergence would be the New World and Old World vultures. They both have a bald head and neck so they can regulate heat. However, the New World vulture resides in North America and the Old World around Africa. They also have a wide wingspan to soar and catch their similar prey. These vultures have similar traits, but they were descended from different ancestors. Divergence is shown in all four-legged land animals. The four-legged trait has been passed on to many generations over millions of years. Four-legged animals are seen everywhere on all continents. Comparative anatomy and biogeography are great examples of evolutionary evidence. Evolution is shown in fossils as well. Fossils provide the evidence we need to determine the anatomy of an extinct animal. With complete fossils, the species anatomy can be predicted. They look at similar traits from fossils and compare them to species today. An example would be dinosaurs. We can see chickens have similar traits to dinosaurs. Who would have thought that they may be related without fossil evidence? Biochemistry is very important evolutionary evidence as well. Proteins and DNA sequences are used to compare organisms of all kinds. Similar hemoglobin proteins were found in humans and chimpanzees. Hemoglobin comparing helped scientists determine that we were more related to chimps than the kangaroo or the gorilla. DNA sequencing shows mutations in DNA and where it changed. You can compare any two species' DNA and see what is different. DNA sequence is the kind of evidence that helps determine how closely related and where changes happen during evolution in a species. With all this evidence, there is no way evolution didn't occur.